I thought it was a lie. They said you can create AI videos for free. Lie number one. Then they said you don't need to be tech savvy. Lie number two. Hey, y'all, I'm Crystal, and let me tell you, I've tried so many of these so called free AI platforms, and every single time it's the same story. You start off free, then you hit that upgrade wall, or you end up stuck on those daily credit refills, waiting, learning a new system, forgetting what you learned, waiting again. But then I found this platform, and listen, it actually changed the free game for me. Welcome to my channel. My name is Crystal. My channel is At Home with Crystal. Here I share all the things that I do at home. One of those things is mastering and navigating. I avatar journey. My beginner tips are designed to help newbies as well as share discoveries for seasoned AI users. In today's tutorial, I am going to show you one of the best free AI tools that I discovered. It's what I like to call a quickie tutorial. We will be using Grok AI's Imagine feature, and trust me, it's the freest free can be. And yes, no experience necessary. For real, beginners.
All right, so here we go. First, you want to head on over to grok.com/imagine. It's going to take you to the Imagine dashboard. If you're not on the dashboard, just go ahead and click Imagine. Down here, you'll see the paper clip where you can upload your file. The file I uploaded was of my cartoon animated character right from your laptop or your desktop. So once the picture uploads, you'll notice you don't have to do any prompting. If you look at the percentage, it's already going. You didn't have to click enter. You didn't have to click send. You didn't have to pay for anything. You're not using any credits. And the percentage is moving pretty quickly. It's just going to animate this video right here in front of your very eyes for free. And look, there she is. So these are 6-minute videos. And if you hit the volume button, it will give you sound. Or if you do want to give it a prompt right in this box, I'm going to say, she sings Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. Okay, it gave me a lot of twinkles. All right, so Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. That's going to be my animation. Let's fix our spelling. And once again, hit this arrow button. You see it generating again, a very simple prompt, or you can give it more prompts. I mean, you have to tweak it. Again, I'm learning along with you guys, but I mean, I've stumbled on this just searching how to do AI. Okay. So once that's complete, you're actually going to hear her. You can click the volume button and you'll hear her sing.
How I wonder what you are. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. How I wonder.
You can always put in a different prompt and regenerate this again. Definitely, you will have the ability to save her. I have practiced this with 2 different characters, and I got one of the characters to speak. Just have fun with it, play with it. I really hope this helps. Don't forget, you can hit this downloadable arrow button right here. So you can download it to your laptop and use it again. I suggest you do a few of these 6-second clips, piece them together in CapCut, and boom, you'll have your animated video. I truly hope this helped you as much as it helped me. This is a beginner-friendly tutorial, and I'll be doing more of these on my channel, At Home with Crystal, and I'll see you guys soon.